If you already watched the video on which we install Python on our computers, especially on Windows machine, Windows 11, I showed because my machine is Windows 11. You already have installed Python on your laptop. If you still don't have it, just find out this video and follow the steps, and soon you will have it. And what we will do now, the question is, could we write our first Python program? Yes, we could. We could use cmd, open this black window, command prompt, and in it we just could write it Python, which will open for us Python console. And let's write print I just started, yay. And when we run this while, we have our first Python program. Yes, we could write the whole project here, but it's not so user-friendly. Is there some tool, some environment that we could use for this purpose? And question is, that's our question, and the answer is yes, we have it. PyCharm is this program, this environment that we could use if we are developers or data engineers and just we want to do our Python projects. It's really great environment. For the data scientists and machine learning specialists, they are not big fans to PyCharm, I think, but for them we will have separate video regarding the Jupyter notebook. Let's be focused here on the PyCharm. Why we decide and we will use PyCharm? Reason it's really simple, because the PyCharm is in top places, or like a program that most of the Python people like it, love it, and use it. For this reason, we will use it too. Let's go to Google and find out download exe file that we will use especially for Windows 11. If we just write PyCharm download, I will show you now one trick. If you just write that, by default we see professional version, and if you open it, this will not be so nice for us, because professional version is paid and they try to promote it by 30 days free trial. But actually, for our purpose and for my purpose until now, community version is good enough and doing really good job. Because of that, JetBrains, the creators of PyCharm, decide to put it on front the professional version with that reason, because a lot of people just prefer and use it community version. Here is another video in description that we could use it too, but I think in this video you will find everything that you need. Other version of the PyCharms, here is our place, because here we have both community and professional version, and we could choose for Mac, Linux distributions, or for Windows. In our case, Windows is good enough, except how it's great for us, because just we need to follow steps next and finish. And now at the moment, as you could see, except how it's downloading. When it's ready, we will go back to install it. As you could see, we are so close to be done. I will use it these few seconds until we open exe file. Just to mention you, if you like this video, subscribe in our channel, click on the Kanban button, and you will be informed for the new videos. But let's first open exe files and start with installation, and you will see how easy it is to install PyCharm on our machine. We just started installation, and on the first step we just need to click next. Here we could see where this program will be installed, the traditional Windows installation, and might be here it's the tricky part and some stuff that it's good if you check or if you not check. For example, if you want to associate all the Python files and to be open in a PyCharm, like a place which we will work with the Python code. If you want to add and update the path variables, add different Python versions, because it's possible for different projects to working with different versions, why not? And if we want to add it like a shortcut on the desktop, for this view that it's more comfortable to have on the desktop, you could put it this to this option. We just could skip next, and directly we are ready to install. It's not necessarily need to change something here, just could use default behavior and option. And now we will wait a little bit to finish that installation, and we will have it. After a few minutes we already have the installation and full installation, and you will see this screen. I will not reboot now because we will continue with our video, but we'll reboot later, and just we need to press finish and could open the PyCharm. I opened this screen because for those of you that still don't have PyCharm on the machine, when you open it for the first time, you will see something like this screen. Create new project, open project, or get from version control some project. Because I already have had PyCharm and I have the history, for this reason I will not see this screen, because this first time opening, I already had it before a while, and I will show you how it looks like for me and how it looks like for all of you after you create your first PyCharm project. I double clicked on the PyCharm icon, and because I already created a project and use it for a lot of projects, you could see this screen for this reason. For those of you that you choose create new project, I will show you what to do. Or if you already have project and want to create a second, third, and so on, just need to go to File and use New Project button. Click it just on the new project, and you see this screen. For those of you that just start for the first time PyCharm and choose the first option, which is Create New Project, you will see this screen. Let's little bit explain it. The first is the name of our project. Let's name it YouTube project, why not? Project. And the second field is where we would like this project to be created, in which path, in which place. And here is the full path, like a place with a folder and the project name, as you could see here. The next ticks are if we want to create a Git repository. For Git, if you are not familiar, we will have a separate video. For this of you, you just know, just will put in some nice place your code, not be only on our local machine, and if you need it, could reach it from any computer. And the second option is create main welcome script. I will check just to have a look how this looks like and what we will have after we choose this option. But I will show you how to create your own Python file too. In the next paragraph, I will not be so focused because will be separate video that will go across and speak in details regarding the project VN, project virtual environment. Because we will use the last version that we installed in the previous video, we will see the Python version here, but we could choose from others if we have installed 3.9, 3.10, as in my case you could see it, or we could directly download and install another version regarding which version we will need. Let's leave it as it by default and just press on the create button. Because I want to see in separate window, but yeah, why not? Just will replace this project because this project that we just created is important for us. That is the options to open it more than one window in Python in PyCharm, sorry, which is really useful if we want to go across more than one project, or just to reuse this window and replace this project with the new one that we will create. Let's choose the first option. And you will see our first project. Yay, we have it. And how we will looks like. It's needed some time because at the moment we create our virtual environment too. And let's wait a few seconds to have everything that we need created for this project. And just everything is loaded, as you could see by default, because we check on the place to have the main Python .py to say file, and by default this create a Python function for us with our first program. But let's not put a lot of attention on it, because we will have the videos regarding the functions and so on. Let's show you how you could create this file. If you want to create it, just click right button on your mouse on the project folder, choose new, go to Python file, and you could put the name my first file, for example. And when we press enter button on our keyboard, we will have empty list in which we could start to write. And let's write our first Python program. Just print function with a value, yay. Yeah. How we could run this code? Just press right button on our mouse and go to the option run my first file. This will run the code that is in that file. And when we run the code, we see the result. Print function, just print, just show to us in the console the value that we will write here in the brackets. But we will go in more details in the next videos. Thank you that you're watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If that's true, just press on the Kanban button, subscribe button, and keep learning. Enjoy the videos, and we'll see you in the next video.